Hey gang, Dave Keeler here with the City of Virginia Beach Department of EMS, and I'm going to try to show you a little bit about the Virginia Beach Online Learning Management System, VBLearn, and how you can integrate the Moodle app into your phone. Now I'm going to show my Android phone, and it's an old phone at that, but this app is available on the Play Store and for both iOS and for Android. So the advantage of using the app is, although you could use any browser on any screen to go into Moodle, the app can sort of condense and consolidate a lot of the content and configure it so it's ready to go onto your screen. So when you download the app, go ahead and install it and open it up. And it'll pop into a welcoming screen. You're going to want to put the address of our Virginia Beach Learn website, https://learn.vbgov.com. Once that's entered in, it'll bring you to the proper front page. Now this is sort of a generic app. It will have our content but not the colors of our particular website. Once that's done, you should be all set to enter into the app. Now if you get any kind of upgrade plan, you can go ahead and cancel out of that. And this brings you into your choice. You could enter into the front page, or you could enter into your particular profiles. That will bring up your particular class. So see here, these were some of the classes I was in recently. Or if I just want to browse, this will open up all of our available courses and all of our available classes within the site. So say for example, I want to go into the Hand-Heavy site, I can click directly in through this portal. If I wanted to, I could actually download the site and take the content and consume it offline. And that's all there is to it. You can hit the home page and it will pop you back to the very front and you can navigate through wherever you wish. So thank you for attending and listening in and learning a little bit more about the Moodle app.